You know what? Every single year, there seems to be a trend that just comes out of nowhere. Well, I think I found the next one. It's kind of a twist, a combo, a growth of two different existing trends that already kicked off in 2025. And if you were on Etsy in 2025 and you were studying what t-shirts were making a killing, the two top trends had to be unhinged humor along with an animal trend, which just happened to be geese. Looking up just goose shirt, again, you probably saw these everywhere, but tons of popular now, tons of bestsellers, and using my Everbee extension, I can see underneath each listing just how much sales these are making, with some of them making 64 sales a month. And I can also open up the product analytics and I can see some of these are making 95 sales a month. And that was just on the first page there. But if I actually go to the full Everbee database and look up goose shirt, I'm seeing ones that are selling hundreds of times a month for one listing. And another one that had an insane rise in 2025 was, again, this unhinged humor. So if you just look up unhinged shirt or meme shirts, you're going to also see tons with lots of monthly sales, tons that have bestsellers, popular nows that did really well in 2025. So what is this brand new trend that I find is kind of pulling from a little bit of these? Well, it is a frog shirt. Frogs are doing crazy right now, crazy numbers, and I can see them doing so well, especially going into spring, because we are just getting into pretty much January of 2026. These have tons of months to keep on growing and they're already starting. And so while geese might have done really well in 2025, 2026 might be the year of the frog. And if you keep looking through a lot of these unhinged shirts, you're going to start to notice a lot of them are featuring frogs. Off to commit tomfoolery, hold on partner, I'm overstimulated, I have to say weird stuff or I'll die. And if you look up frog shirt on Etsy and start scrolling down, a great sign you're going to see is that so many of these have the popular now tag. Things like we ride at dawn. Again, this off to commit tomfoolery one. We have things like different, I guess, collages of frogs. We have different medieval frogs. We have things like MILF, I love frogs. And if I go to Everbee and again search their database for frog shirt, what you're going to see is these making a killing, even more than the goose shirt. We have lots making 200 to 400 sales a month, with the top one here making $24,000 a month. And a great sign that these are on the rise and new is if you scroll on over to listing age, the top bestseller was just created 2 months ago, and a lot of the best-selling listings are all recent listings. Well, yes, on the frogs, I am seeing these everywhere. I'm seeing these in the reading niche. I'm seeing this in the botanical niche. I'm seeing it in the cottagecore, the gardening niche. But the one that I'm focusing on today, because I think it's funny, I think it's a combo of two trends, again, that we're already doing really well, and that is the unhinged frogs. And you know, I'm not currently punny enough to come up with these on my own, so we're gonna find brand new sayings using Pinterest and find ones that haven't been applied to Etsy yet. There's a few different ones that have bestsellers already on Etsy. We don't want to compete with those. We want to create our own. And the way that I often come up with ideas that are popular and good but haven't really been introduced to Etsy yet is just using Pinterest. So on Pinterest, I looked up unhinged sayings, or you can look at meme sayings, different kind of words. If you're doing different niches, you can do Dr. Unhinged sayings, and you can just pretty much sub niche it down. And then once you find one that works, sometimes you'll get a bunch of different boards or it'll take you to a website. But once you find one that's helpful, just click on it and it'll bring up a lot of other simple or similar ones. So for example, I found this one that says, my flabbers be gassed daily. I think that could do really well in the context of this trend. Other ones I could see doing really well, I'm built different, like incorrectly. I think that one's hilarious. Something like, what if I got weirder? And based on the ones that I've been seeing doing really well, I think this what if I got weirder one could do really well. We have other ones like, let's just scroll down here. There's ones here under sassy quotes. There's other ones you can click under ideas you might love. Shine so bright that it burns the eyes. I can't say the F word, I don't think, on here. Okay, this one made me actually laugh out loud. You're giving off hot dog water vibes right now. That is so random, so unhinged, and perfect for this trend. So now that we have our text idea, we also need to come up with our frog. And I'm going to show you two different ways to do that. The first way that we could do this is going right into Kittl. Kittl is pretty much where I create all of my designs now. And if you do want to get access to all the Kittl plans, I do have 25% off in my description below, but we're going to create a new artboard. And then I'm going to use their AI, which is now shows up at the bottom of your page here. And I'm going to go to generate image. I'm going to go to chat GPT and I'm going to write in a prompt, something like create a vector PNG graphic of a frog holding a sword and wearing a cape, muted colors, kids, children's book style. And if you need extra help just refining your prompt, Kittl now also has a button down here which says enhance prompt, in which they're going to add some more information for you so you can go ahead and change out any of that if it's not exactly what you're looking for. And then this is the style that I got here, which I'm extremely happy with, but it's a little hard sometimes to always get the exact result that you want from a prompt. So if you're having trouble getting this to look like how you imagine it in your mind, the other way is to use a reference. And to do that, we're going to go use Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is a library of different assets that you can pay a monthly subscription for to get access to them. And I've been using it more lately just for reference style photos and then using AI to create my own so I can get exactly what I'm looking for. So scrolling down, I just typed in frog PNG and you're going to look for the style that you want. So maybe this one here is something that you like, or perhaps something like this, which I have seen already doing really well on Etsy. So what you can do is just download them. And again, we're not using this file, we're using it as a reference. So just download it and then we're moving back on over to Kittl. So I've opened up that file in a new artboard and I need help coming up with what I want the frog to be doing to match my saying. So I'm going with the saying that says, my flowers be gasted daily. I thought that one could do really well with this trend. So I asked the ChatGPT that's built into Kittl for help. And I said, I'm creating an unhinged frog shirt. Give me an idea for what the frog should be doing to match the saying, my flowers be gasted daily. And it says along the lines of it could be holding a coffee cup and reading a newspaper. So I'm going to use that. And what I'm going to do is go and click on my artboard here. We're going to go to Smartboard and we're going to create a prompt to change what the frog is doing. So in the Smartboard, I've put make the frog sitting down on a chair with coffee, staring at a newspaper, looking surprised, remove his sword and cape. And I'm using the Nano Banana for this. Sorry guys, I always say this word wrong, so I have to enunciate it. Nano Banana, I am going to be using that model. Under here, you can change the different models of AI that Kittl has available to you, but we're using this one here and we are going to just hit generate. And this is the result that we got here. So what we can do now is if we're not happy with this result, either go back and edit your prompt and re-roll it, or you can add another smartboard to this and just add a secondary prompt to get the result that you want. And then just so you can see what my other result came out to, I think this looks awesome because you can also do this to the original prompt version that we had created. And I actually like the way that this one turned out a lot more personally, though I think for certain styles, again, we've seen this already doing really well on Etsy, so you could try both or do the one that you prefer. Once you are happy with your result, you're going to click on the smartboard and you're going to go to convert to image, and then you can either create a brand new artboard or you can just go back and clean up your artboard if you like to keep your files clean here. Or again, you can just start a new artboard by hitting A on your keyboard and dragging it out. But I'm going back to this one, and what I'm going to do is then use remove background, and then I'm just going to resize this. And now we want to add in our text. And even with a prompt, you can add in text with the prompt, but because I specifically want this to be on the bottom, I'm just going to add this in myself personally. But again, if you prefer just do everything with AI, Kittl is also really good at adding in text. Now I've added in my text here, and the font that I use, just because I thought it looked good with this style, is I used Jackwrite, but there are thousands of different fonts that you can play with, or you can go back to Etsy and see what fonts are doing really well with this style. Now I'm going to click on my artboard up here, and I'm going to download this file as a PNG file, and I'm going to make sure that I have the background removed. Now that we have our design, we need to list it, and to make sure that this is printed and shipped so I don't have to do any of that, I'm using Printify, which is my print-on-demand supplier, so that I can get my designs printed on almost any product that I like. But there are two that I highly recommend for this trend, and a third one that you could also consider, and let me share those with you. The first one being Comfort Colors t-shirts, specifically the Comfort Colors 1717, the unisex garment dyed t-shirt. Pretty much all of the best sellers that I'm seeing under t-shirts are on this product because people just love the Comfort Colors brand. And the other product that I'm seeing these do really well in and starting to skyrocket in is actually mugs. And if you scroll down through Unhinged mug, you're going to see tons of Popular Now badges with unhinged sayings and with our combo of a frog. Sometimes I just be farting. We have that one, Popular Now. We have this one here, Huzzah, Popular Now, Not Now, My Tummy Hurts. We have this one, Outside a Whoop Whoop, but Inside I Weep Weep. And if you just look up frog mug, so many of them, again, we're finding this unhinged saying combined with frogs. Born to yap, forced to work. In the pond, I be pondering. We have ones like I have to say weird stuff or I'll die. And again, an awesome sign that these are doing well is not only is there best seller tags, but there's actually tons more Popular Now tags, meaning these are just starting to kick off and they're becoming popular right now. And on Printify, you have a few different options. I've seen a few on the accent mug, but actually for the ones that I currently see as the Popular Now ones are just the plain ceramic mugs. But if you did want to add a little extra value or you prefer the accent mugs, you can go ahead and use those as well. All you have to do is hit start designing, upload the PNG file that we had created earlier, and then you're going to go through saving this and you're going to hit publish to Etsy. It's going to make a listing on Etsy for you in which you can add your photos, your title, your description, everything you need to make an Etsy listing appealing. And then once you get an order, Printify will automatically pick up that order and they will print and ship it for you. And then the final product that I recommend that I could see these doing really well on and that it's starting to have lots of Popular Now tags in it is sweatshirts. Tons of Popular Now, different designs, usually the ones you'll also see on the Comfort Colors t-shirts. So you could list these on both, though I currently do see it growing more in the t-shirt and mugs. But if you already have the design, try putting it on the sweatshirt as well. And that is the Gildan 18,000 sweatshirt, also one that you can get right from Printify. So in 2026, geese and geeses are out and frogs are in. And same with these unhinged sayings. They are still around, but they are evolving to also include these funny little frogs, or you can just keep it more wholesome frogs if you want, because just the frog trend and the frog niche in general is just growing. Let me know if you'll be adding these to your shop. And if you learned anything in this video, if you could drop a like and subscribe, that would help me so much. Thank you guys, and I will see you next week.